1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rims, 2 bumpers, something that apparently goes on the front of a car, but that is heavy cast, clean. Couple radiators. That's what I'm dropping off for you today, my brother. So we'll add this to our earnings for the week, and we still got some other stuff that I want to bring home in the process, because I'm not going to turn in any more of these ever with the ends on them. It's just not worth it. So yeah, we got an empty trailer. Let's go make it full. Scrap with Grandpa. What's next? Hey guys, so we still have all this stuff to process, but this is all their plastic. Being that they give me all of their metal, and we keep on circulating this plastic back through the pile, I told them, look, you have been so good to me. Four of these places in the county, all 4 of them give me their scrap metal. So let's help them out. We probably have to stack this right too, you know. It'll probably stack pretty good if you stack them. I'll just throw them to you just like we do the other stuff. Yeah, a lot of bumpers, plastic. Oh yeah. And this will help them out. We're just helping them out, get rid of their plastic. I called the landfill around here, and they're only charging $2.95 per 100 pounds. So 1,000 pounds is 30 bucks for 1,000 pounds. We won't have nowhere near 1,000 pounds, so we are not going to charge them anything because of all the goodness that they give us. They scratch my back and I'll scratch theirs, and that's how it works. Yeah, that's quite a bit. Not heavy though. I mean, shoot, you don't have much over 100 pounds in there now. They're just big and bulky. Big and bulky. At least we won't have to fight with it next time we come back. Oh yeah, we'll tie that stuff in. That'll be pretty good. And we get to pick up this dumpster every time it gets full. Oops. So that's the blessing behind it all. That is the blessing behind it all. Every time it gets full, we get to get it for free. So we had almost $100 in motor. No, we had a little over $100 in motors. So 2, 3. We made $300 today from this place. Yep. And all the stuff that's in my back of my truck. So we can spend $30 for them. 10%. 10% give back. Not too bad. Stuff is just junk. Bolt? Yeah. It'll tie down pretty good though. Yeah, this big old bulky stuff. It's stacking pretty nice though, like it is.
Get you up here and squish it down.
Yeah, oh, we'll. The straps will take care of that. The straps will hold that down. That's all right. I'll get it. I'll get it. It's a bunch of bumpers. Like you say, if we cut them in half, bring our sawzall with us, cut them in half next time. Put them in their dumpster. If they don't do it, we can do it. Right?
Yeah. What? Oh, okay.
That's all they have to do.
Check gas. Gas.
Gas tank?
Yeah.
They stack better than the metal ones.
Yeah. Can you imagine if these were all metal?
No, they wouldn't stack. You'd never get them up there like that. I love it. Love it. Stacker and a packer. You know where that's going? Right in there until next time. That's water coming out of that thing. These are them things that's got metal on them. Ain't nothing but water. Huh. Smells like gas though.
Yeah.
Huh?
Really strong.
Yeah, smells like gas. But all I seen was water come out.
Sideways in the back.
Yeah, there you go. Oh yeah. Oops.
It went limp.
It went limp. Damn sure did. Had it. Oh, it's too funny. Man, I need a guard for my truck. Not like that, but I broke mine off the other day. Oh yeah, we got plenty of room. We still got some on the inside, but plenty of room. Yeah, this stuff breaks down easy. Small stuff. Beautiful.
Damn.
Isn't that something? Probably some expensive stuff. Expensive plastic. Man, it'd be nice if all that other stuff we put in there crap down like that. That's a beautiful load right there. Beautiful. And they're cleaned up. I tell you what, where that's going is in there. Yeah. Yep. Brand spanking new.
Still got the sticker on it.
I know it. $100. Front of a truck, the hood, under the hood latch area. Incredible. All right, let me get in there. Let me get in there and pull a few of them things to the front. That'll be that much less we have to deal with next time. And hey, maybe next time we take another small load, you know. Finish it off. 'Cause we won't get all of this. And I'm only gonna make one trip of trash today. You might have to get out, huh? I love it. How much more we get in there? Okay. Stacking and packing. That's great. What else you got room for?
Anything small? Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, we'll tie her down. About done, right? This is it. Tie her down. Oh, sorry.
Just drop it.
That's all right. Till next time. We'll get the rest of you later. Oh, bowling ball. So I guess this is it. I might have to tear some out and pull up again. You know what I mean? I know, right? Yeah, this is all plastic. No, I can't dump it. Well, I can, but my battery's dead. Dead battery. There. Golly. It's beautiful. Yeah, my helper don't look nothing like that. He's got a much better helper than I do. I'm just saying. Man, that's a lot of bumpers, bro.
Yeah. Didn't seem like this much when we were loading.
Pulling up.